You were talking about a prediction that was made when he was
Correct.
at the sanatorium.
That is what I am trying to tell you. Ki after he came back, to my grandfather Lala Dinanath, he was concerned and worried, so he brought the Kul Purohit.
Okay.
Now Kul Purohit Nityanand ji was also tantric. I just tell you a personal incident between me and Nityanand ji. Yeah. Me and Anand were there, and you know how kids are, they want to do the oddest thing, no?
Yeah.
So he says, "बच्चा लोग क्या खाओगे?" तो आनंद ने मेरी तरफ देखा, मैंने कहा आड़ू खाएंगे. अभी in Bombay, how do you get an आड़ू? You understand by आड़ू ना? It's आड़ू is a pear kind of a fruit.
Oh, okay.
है ना?
अच्छा.
कश्मीर में मिलता है, येलो कलर का होता है, इतना सा आड़ू. हमने कहा आड़ू खाएंगे, यू नो, ऐसे ही जस्ट टू सी कि ये बहुत समझते हैं ना, अपने आप तड़ी मारता है. यू नो, भारती he did like this and there was an आड़ू in his hand. In Bhatia building, in a 12 foot by 12 foot room where we 5 brothers used to stay. He says, ये लो बच्चे आड़ू खाओ. That was his power. Once, when Papaji was in very deep financial problems, so he had come home. Another miracle. So he says, Nityanand ji, कुछ problems हैं, कुछ चमत्कार दिखाओ ना. He said, अच्छा. He used to call him Ramanand. Ramanand, तू लिख तेरा सवाल. तो पापा जी took a piece of paper and wrote something and इसको बंद कर टेबल पे रख दे. He kept the glass on the table. After a little time, he said, pick up the glass, and the answer was written. This is not make-believe.
Okay.
I'm sorry, people may think it's a myth. No, this is seen. So I am not going to budge from what I have seen. So Nityanand ji was of that level.
And he had predicted that.
After he came back from TV, my grandfather brought him कि इस लड़के का देखो फ्यूचर क्या है, मर जाएगा, जिएगा, क्या होगा इसका. And he laughed at him. He says in 80s he will make Ramayana the biggest, he will become an international figure. तो किस बात की फिक्र है तेरे को? Why are you worried?
Okay.
Then you remember Mola Sahab, ये 10 नंबरी का पिता.
हाँ.
He was an astrologer.
Oh, really? अच्छा.
Madan Mola's father.
Okay.
है ना? Raj Kapoor was so totally bugged by with astrology.
अच्छा.
He wouldn't move without Mola Sahab's doing.
अच्छा. Without this astrological guidance.
He was very close to Mola Sahab.
Okay.
He used to tell him, अच्छा ये कर, वो कर, ये एक्टर ले, ये कर. अपनी इंडस्ट्री में ये सब होता है because of the uncertainty.
That's right.
तो मोला साहब ने पापा जी के बहुत करीब थे, and पापा जी also respected him a lot.
Okay.
Because उनमें विद्या थी.
That's right.
There is no doubt about it. Even right now I know a fellow comes from South. Again, this is not a myth. He has Kanprast Vidhi.
अच्छा.
Just going off the track. His name is Kishore Pandit. He comes to meet me. He's just sitting there. They come and tell in his ear.
Oh.
Everything. कि मेरे जेब में 10 रुपए का नोट है, उसका ये नंबर है, he'll tell you.
Wow.
मतलब these things exist.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि this are.
So Mola Sahab had also.
Mola Sahab saw Papaji's Kundli and he realized कि Ramanand Sagar will make a spiritual, some kind of a mass media, which will create havoc in the whole world. But he didn't know which one. So he started Yogeshwar Krishna, with Shashi Kapoor as Krishna, and you know, and Raj Kapoor came. L.K. Advani came to give the clap. In Natla Studios.
I remember. I was there.
Mola Sahab. And he predicted that in 80s he will make something on Hindu spiritualism, which will create a sensation around the world.
Right.
The only mistake he made was he said he'll make Krishna and not Ramayana. Calculation में कहीं पे. In 1980, sorry, 1970, Bharti. You won't believe. Papaji gave me my first break in Lalkar as a director of photography.
Right.
I had got the gold medal and silver medal. And Satyajit Ray told him ki if you don't pick him up, I will take you in Berlin. So he was forced to give his son. Otherwise, is a very rigid, strict, as a father, he was rather very strict. Nahi, you have to start from zero, work it up, and then if you deserve, you will get. But I don't know, he gave me Lalkar at the age of 27, which was hardly anything.
Yeah.
To be a DOP at 27. And I was very touchy. It involved the northeast region, the story. So उधर north light होती है, and वो नागालैंड में उनके घर कैसे होते हैं. तो even Papaji wanted to see the location. So we both decided, चलो चलते. I had said I'll see my lighting. I'll create special lights for Lalkar, which will give that bounce lighting feeling. You know, I created bounce lights and things there. तो उधर गए. तो हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर था शंकरलाल गोयंका. He owned all these theaters in Shillong and Guwahati. तो हमको कामाख्या देवी ले गए. हमने पूजा विजा की, बड़ा आनंद आया. By itself, Kamakhya, I made some beautiful photographs of that. I still have that. Suddenly, एक लड़की पीछे से आई and she tapped me and he says, वो एक साधु बाबा है, वो आपको मिलना चाहते हैं. So I went to Papaji, ये कह रही हैं. तो वही said चलते हैं. And we started walking, looked back, that girl disappeared. Normal लगा, ठीक है, she might have got lost in the crowd. हम गए, we faced the sadhu. He had a very unusual piercing eyes, and he was different. He was not normal. Kept looking at Papaji, as if he's sending some kind of waves, he's sending some kind of a spiritual cleansing or changing his mindset. This is my interpretation after what all has happened. And Papaji kept looking, he says, Baba, koi seva, not speaking. Koi some message for me, not speaking. Then we left. It looked normal. And we forgot about it. This is 1970.
Okay.
Now we cut to 1983, 84 or 85. After about 10-15 years. Papaji wanted to make a small film called Kohinoor with newcomers. So with camera and junior artists and actors, new actors, we went to Haridwar, we parked ourselves there, and we were shooting around Rishikesh and things like that, you know. And it started raining and thundering and, you know, big storm. And we were on the banks of the Ganga, and these lady actors, they were shivering. So didn't know what to do. There's nothing, no house, nothing. So Papaji looked down next to the Ganga Maya river, next to Ganga Maya, एक साधु की झोंपड़ी थी जहाँ पे एक हवन चल रहा था अग्निदेव. तो Papaji just felt, he called his assistant Yogi. He says, go and just request Sadhu Baba कि कुछ देर के लिए पना दे दें. Once the rain goes away, we'll go away. So Yogi went there. And he says, sir, हम फिल्म बना रहे हैं, हमारे साथ कुछ स्त्रियां हैं, आपके बरसात हो रही है. He got so angry. He says, फिल्म बना रहे हो, निकल जाओ इधर से. Took a little bit of ash, भस्म कर दूंगा तेरे को. That Yogi तो he almost fainted, he ran. You know, and he was a tantric. And as Yogi was running up, because it was about 8-10 feet down slope, you know, and his owner, we were here. So he asked him, उसका नाम क्या है? तो योगी भी भागता हुआ बोलता है, रामानंद सागर. That Yogi totally changed. He says, रामानंद सागर, ओ मैया मुझे माफ कर दो, मेरे से गलती हो गई. अरे उनको आदर से लेके आओ. The whole tone changed, the whole thinking changed. And we went down there. He is looking at Papaji like that, like you know, marble eyes. एंड ही वेंट आउटसाइड, वो पत्ते तोड़े उन्होंने, ऐसा किया, गर्म पानी तक डाला, हमको पिलाया. वी स्टार्टेड स्वेटिंग विद दैट लिटिल ड्रिंक ऑफ व्हिच ही हैड मेड. एंड गर्मी मतलब बरसात वगैरह सब भूल गए. फल ले आया अपने जो उसने भिक्षा में लिए थे, पापा जी को दे, तुम खाओ, तुमको दो, ये तू रामानंद सागर है ना, तू रामानंद सागर है ना. पापा जी also all baffled, you know, at the total change. Finally करते, पापा जी ने कहा नहीं बाबा, because you can take भिक्षा only once. If you eat his fruit, then he'll remain angry.
Correct.
So पापा जी was aware of that. He said नहीं बाबा, ये आपकी भिक्षा है, मैं नहीं ले सकता, मैं नहीं ग्रहण कर सकता. And treated it and asked him कि what is it that suddenly you and I'm a filmmaker, yeah, I make normal films. So then he told us that in 1970 you had gone to Guwahati, you went to Kamakhya, yes. The girl came there, yes. You met a sadhu, yes. He says that was Mahavatar Babaji. Mahavatar Babaji lives between Badrinath and Kedarnath. He's 500 years old. There's a bubble, and once you go inside that bubble, you don't age.
Okay.
So हर शाम को बद्रीनारायण की आरती के लिए आते, फिर चले जाते हैं. And Yoganand's biography of a yogi has been mentioned. He can be at two places at the same time and all that, you know. तो वो दर्शन तब देते हैं जब somebody has to do some इस तरह का काम which will change society or which will change, you know. So then he gives darshan. बाबा जी is to says, पर मेरे को करना क्या है? कहते वो तो बाबा जी बता सकते हैं. That I can't tell you. तो बाबा जी मिलेंगे कहाँ? कहते वो बद्रीनारायण टेम्पल है, उधर जब पूजा होती है तो आते हैं. तो after some time we went to after 3-4 months went to बद्रीनारायण एंड प्रसाद लेके बाहर निकले तो प्रसाद गिर गया. तो एक आदमी ने आके हाथ से पकड़ा एंड प्रसाद खा गया एंड पापा जी को देखता रहा ऐसे एंड स्माइल करके निकले. तो डिडंट नो, थोड़ी देर बाहर निकले तो एक राम बाबा मिल गया. बोले रामानंद? बोले हाँ. हिज नेम वाज आल्सो राम बाबा. ही सेज वो महाअवतार बाबा जी थे, तुमको दर्शन देके गए. बिकॉज उन्होंने मेरे पास मैसेज छोड़ा है कि तुमको रामायण बनानी है, ये फिल्म छोड़ दो एंड टीवी में जाओ. Now how do you explain this?